Hi, welcome back. So, usually every summer, me and my family go to England, where we have an old, restored wooden boat, and we spend our summers cruising around the Broads, escaping the inferno heat which happens over here. So this summer, naturally, with lockdown, we haven't been able to go to England, so I sort of created a project for myself in which I'm going to try and create naval craft to pass the time and float in the pool. So this is my first attempt, and well, before I get it's just I gave the project a code name. It just everything's so much cooler if you as a code name. You get a warm feeling inside you. So I've codenamed the mission of creating naval craft Project Hummingbird, which I just absolute random love it. So this is my first attempt at creating a vessel. I've named it the Stalker. It's a pre-World War II vessel, steam-powered, twin propeller, armed with a 40mm Rolls-Royce 2PDR semi-automatic cannon. Now, the boat is of my own design. Most of it is of my own creation. Although the design of the chimney, the upper wheelhouse and the gun, I sort of went into War Thunder, looked at the design, and copied most of the features from that, so it had a bit more realism to it. Okay, so this is the bow of the boat. So design-wise, most of the because of the detail on it, it did take an astonishingly long time. It took me well over 15 hours. The gun here, another reason for selecting the gun is, in game at least, it's quite capable of defending itself from aerial and naval vessels. Sort of the idea of outrun anything that can outgun it and shoot anything that can outrun it. A load of small details here on boxes. One of the things I naturally had to do in a vessel like this is some of the features, like the boxes you see around there. Copy it and just paste it around, so most of it's the same part placed in multiple areas. I have tried to keep it fairly varied, although naturally to give the detail, on a real boat it would be like that. In the end, I actually had to stop designing because my computer couldn't handle it anymore. It was just beginning to be so laggy and problematic continuing to design. I had to finish at this point. I actually wanted to give it more of an antenna and strings, but it just came way too hard. I'm not sure if you saw that little Hydra logo there. In the rendering I created for my home screen, I added it just for fun, and apparently it's stayed there. Anyway, so thanks for watching, I guess. This is the Stalker. Not next week. In the hopefully near future, I'm going to try and create a new boat, make it RC, the LS3, the default naval vessel for Germany. I'm going to try and make an RC version of that. So subscribe if you want to see it.